Hello teachers and fellow schoolmates. Today we are going to talk to you about our CS project. We are students from class 2H, namely Hui Ren, Wilson, Jason and King Chong. Today we will be covering what staging is, the reason why we chose staging, part of the story chosen, why we chose this part, our research and timeline. Last but not least, our reflection. We hope that you will enjoy our presentation.
To us, staging is a smaller version of a real-life stage. That also includes the placement of the objects or props and characters that are important, as staging will act as a reference to the people to build the stage and actors or actresses.
We have chosen this aspect as we all think that the most important aspect of a well-played drama is the staging, because the first thing the audience will see and judge is the stage that has been built. With a beautiful and attractive stage that will capture the audience upon sight, we will be able to score points even before the drama starts. We chose the part where the star child came to a kingdom and got enslaved by the magician. He was sent to obtain gold for him, but instead he gave it to a beggar, as the star child thought the beggar had it worse. But this resulted in him getting punished by the magician. When he gave away all the gold pieces, he was able to find his parents, and finally he became the king.
All of us think that this is part of the climax of the story, and it is where the message of the author is trying to bring across. And because it is where the climax is, the scenes and the story development are also at its most elaborate and beautiful, thus making it the best part to do for our stage.
Now I'm going to explain our project to you. Firstly, we use the proscenium stage. We use corrugated board instead of cardboard, as it will not spoil if it touches water. We sew the corrugated board together instead of gluing it, as we think that it is stronger to sew. The proscenium stage is the most common stage used, which may be also referred as picture frame stage. The primary feature is a large opening known as the stage, through which the audience views the performance. The audience directly faces the stage.
The reason why we have chosen the proscenium stage is because all of us think that it is only right to assume that on the day of performance, the teachers will be seated at one end of the room and we will be facing them at the other end. And so we thought that the round stage cannot be used, as the teachers will not be able to see what we did, and also the truss stage will not be of any use, as this type of staging are used to create mood among the audience. However, we do not need to do that, as we are trying to create a frozen picture.
This is our timeline.
This is how we felt about the project. We felt that this project had led us through happy times and sad times. We were happy that project went smoothly and we were not behind time. However, we are sad that we were not able to create the stage that we wanted. Overall, we think that this is still a fun experience for us. This is what we think is the strength of our project. We think that the only strength of our project is the way we change the scenes. We think that it would make our stage stand out among the others.
What we think we can improve on. We think that we could have done more meetings during the holidays to make further and better improvements to our stage.